Every cell in your body has a contract. It is born, it works, it ages, and at the right moment, it steps aside. It is written into the biology of every living thing on Earth. It is one of the reasons multicellular life exists at all. Your body is made of roughly 37 trillion cells, and every single one of them knows it will not last forever. Built into the end of every chromosome is a structure called a telomere. Think of it like the plastic tip at the end of a shoelace. It protects the chromosome from fraying. But every time a cell divides, that tip gets slightly shorter, a little less protection, a little more wear. After about 50 divisions, the telomere is gone. The cell gets a signal. You have done your part. It is time. And the cell does something remarkable. It destroys itself quickly, without releasing its content into the surrounding tissue. A process so elegant, scientists gave it a beautiful name: apoptosis, programmed cell death. The body cycling through old cells to make room for new ones, keeping everything functional, keeping everything controlled. For most of your life, in most of your cells, this system works perfectly, but cancer found the loophole. Here is what cancer actually is. Not a foreign invader, not something that came from outside. It is one of your own cells that has stopped following the rules. Somewhere in the process of normal cell division, something goes wrong. A copying error in the DNA, damage from the environment, a mutation in a gene that was supposed to keep growing under control. In most cases, your body catches this, repair systems fix the error, or the immune system identifies the rogue cell and eliminates it. But occasionally, a mutation slips through. And if that mutation hits the right gene, a gene called a proto-oncogene or a tumor suppressor gene, the consequences are profound. The cell loses its growth controls. It starts dividing without permission, faster than it should, more than it should, and then it does something that should be impossible. It reactivates an enzyme called telomerase. This enzyme rebuilds the telomere. After every division, the protective tip grows back, the countdown resets. The signal that says it is time never comes. The cell has found a way to divide indefinitely. It has stolen the secret of immortality, and it is using that secret to build a colony inside you. Okay, this is something that makes this story so extraordinary. Telomerase is not alien technology. It is not something cancer invented. It already exists in your body. Your stem cells use it. Your reproductive cells use it. In the right context, in the right cell at the right time, telomerase is essential. It is how life renews itself. Cancer did not create a new weapon. It stole an existing one, and here is the part that stops biologists in their tracks. The very features that make cancer so devastating: uncontrolled, growth resistant to death signals, the ability to divide indefinitely. These are not random chaos. They are ancient biological programs that exist for legitimate reasons in the normal development. Cancer is not your cells going wrong, it's your cells going back to an earlier, more primitive mode of existence. Before the rules of multicellular cooperation were established, before the contract was written. A single cell operating as if it were the only thing that mattered, the way life worked 3 billion years ago. Science is now using this understanding to fight back. Drugs that can target telomerase, therapies that force cancer cells back into apoptosis pathway they escape, immunotherapies that teach the immune system to recognize and eliminate immortal cells before they become tumors. We are not yet there, not completely. But here is what I want you to take from this. Cancer is not the opposite of life. It's a distortion of it. A cell that wanted to survive so badly that it broke every agreement that makes survival possible for everything else. There is something deeply human about that, and something deeply worth understanding.